Yo, what's good, y'all? It's been like 2 months since I dropped a video. Last video I was doing was about my car, and but I recently sold my car, so now I'm just looking around for a new project car to work on. Until then, I gotta drop some videos.
How the fuck you little nigga cheese? You ain't got no cheddar. I remember when I started rapping, I keep getting better. My old bitch tryna break my heart, I swear to God that I won't let her. She was tryna flex to all her friends, but they know me. They was sending all of my trailers, his music OD. They be sending my flicks around like he look OC. She ain't even know my age, I was 18, she was 22. I was young.
Y'all know what time it is. You see the Just Do It box. You already know what I'm about to do. Just be like, hey, this will do. Hey man, this is a fire box, bro. They need to start making all Jordans like these. All these boxes, all these plain boxes, bro. I be hating them. These are good boxes. See, there's two different type of blues. Stop playing with me. Oh, these joints. Whew. Fuck. Hey, before we get to that, hey, this is my first win on the sneakers app. These schemers, I ain't even about to call them schemers because I got my first win. Let's hope I get another win. Alright, let's hope I get another win, alright? Ooh. So now that I got the shoe in my hand, the shoe itself is simple. It's a simple colorway, black and white. And I feel though the Jordan 3s, this is like, it's just a hype shoe because what's it called? The Fragment, then the name Fragment. So because of the Jordan 1s, there was Jordan 1 Fragments that came out, I don't know when, but they go for like 3,000, maybe more. And that's why everybody was hyping these shoes because they think it's gonna jump up. And I've been seeing these prices go for 1,000 on Stadium Goods. So I mean, who was to know? It could go jump up. You never know. But the quality on these, soft, nice, is very good. And I heard that Retro 3s have a good leather on it. I mean, I don't know that because this is my first 3s, so they feel pretty good right here, especially like all the way around here. They feel good. The outsoles, simple, white and black. Oreo. I think they just kept it the same thing. The whole shoe is simply white and black. It's just the Fragment name on it. And then the stamping right here, the Fragment stamps. You got it right here, and you got it right here. And you got a translucent Air Jordan piece right here on the back of the heel tab. And that's it. It's just the name. That's it. It's just the hype around these shoes. That's why it was going so. That's why it sold out real quick on the sneakers app. But I got my pair.